Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS at Winter Event 2022, giving rides to visitors on snow-covered roads. The 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS is the ultimate version of the 718 lineup, and it can lap the Nürburgring in 7 minutes 4.5 seconds. However, now we know why it turns such a fast lap, and it's not just the fantastic engine. The 4.0-liter flat-six is pulled straight from the Porsche 911 GT3, though in the mid-engine Cayman it only makes 493 horsepower. Torque checks in at 331 pound-feet, also a bit less than the 911 GT3, but the engine still hits all the high notes with a 9,000 revolutions per minute naturally aspirated redline. By the way, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell and thumbs up button if you find our videos informative. For the record, the standard GT4's 4.0-liter engine isn't a GT3 derivative, spinning to 8,000 revolutions per minute while producing 414 horsepower in the process. It's not slow by any means, but Porsche says the GT4 RS reaches 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, a half second quicker than the GT4. It tops out at 196 miles per hour, and it's nearly 24 seconds faster than the GT4, and just a few seconds away from the current 911 GT3 at the Nürburgring. Porsche engineers managed to shave 49 pounds from the GT4 RS while still keeping it a street-friendly vehicle. As you might guess, carbon fiber comes into play with the front fenders and hood consisting of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. You'll also find lightweight glass for the rear window, lightweight doors, and the result is a 3,227 pound curb weight. Combined with a high output engine, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS boasts a power-to-weight ratio of 6.5 pounds per horsepower. Power is nothing if you can't use it, and that's the next chapter in the RS book of performance. It's only offered with the quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, funneling power to just the rear wheels through paddle shifters on the wheel or the stalk in the center console. The RS sits just over an inch lower with an adjustable track-focused suspension using revised dampers, springs, and sway bar rates. The components are connected to the body with ball joints for tighter precision, and for the first time on any Cayman, center lock wheels are used. Enhanced aero forces the GT4 RS to the pavement, with the swan neck fixed rear wing being the obvious difference to the standard GT4. The underbody is optimized for better airflow, with a rear diffuser, an adjustable front diffuser, a front spoiler lip, and side blades contributing to the cause. Set up in racetrack-specific performance mode, the GT4 RS offers 25% more downforce compared to the GT4. The 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS reaches U.S. dealerships next summer, checking in with a starting price of $141,700 plus a $1,350 delivery fee.